Next time you do this, you could be doing this. But why? Just like most of us, you probably want to help the environment but simply don't know how. What if we told you that there was a browser extension that can help you shop greener and avoid environmentally damaging products in just 2 clicks? Enter Evolution, a browser add-on that helps users find and purchase eco-friendly alternatives to any online shopping query. That means the next time you shop online, you could make a difference.
But how does it work? In 3 simple steps, users can begin to live a greener life by shopping sustainably. First, search for your intended product on your favorite online retailer. Next, click the Evolution icon in the browser. Finally, scroll and click on your desired alternative eco-friendly product to proceed towards the source to purchase it.
But how is Evolution actually doing this? Well, once the extension is downloaded, activated, and recognizes that you're on a verified online retail site, a Python algorithm scrapes all the relevant product information or search information from the page. This scraped data is then inputted into a machine learning natural language processing algorithm to identify the keywords in the product name or search query. Next, these keywords are inputted as search terms in our custom Google search engine that looks for and returns environmentally friendly Google search results. This means that we can weed out all of the results that one can usually see on a Google search that are not environmentally friendly. Finally, these search results are formatted and sent to the extension to be presented to the user. All of these operations are centralized on Amazon Web Services Lambda serverless computing service.
As mentioned earlier, the current offerings in the e-commerce industry are stagnant when it comes to providing sustainable options for the users. For the most part, many e-commerce extensions are saving users money, but with rising global temperatures, the more pressing question should be, what about saving the planet? The introduction of Evolution will shatter the mold for e-commerce extensions and foster its own niche where users' growing demands for a sustainable lifestyle can be efficiently met.
By identifying current pain points in the industry, Evolution has increased its exposure to commonplace problems in the e-commerce sector from a scope of sustainability. Within such a vast array of opportunities for fulfilling customer demands, Evolution prioritizes an easy-to-use interface with accessible product lines which promote sustainability.
In our quest for value innovation, Evolution used the ERRC grid framework to pinpoint status quo trends in the industry that can be altered. Primarily, we focus on breaking the barriers and stigmas surrounding sustainable lifestyles through the advent of an intuitive extension where more consumers are presented with a viable avenue to a plethora of eco-friendly products.
In order to succeed in the tech market, Evolution deploys a diverse revenue model consisting of ad revenue, transactional commissions, and hosting fees. Our approximations indicate that if 5% of US online shoppers utilize and purchase products through Evolution with a CTR of 0.45% and a CPC of 45 cents, often seen in the e-commerce environment, we will see a profit of approximately $360,000 solely from advertisements. The transactional commissions can range anywhere from 0.5 to 5%, something that Evolution hopes to use to build our network and offer even more products to consumers. Revenue will also be generated from monthly fixed fees charged to affiliate merchants for the privilege of having their products and services hosted on Evolution.
The global market for e-commerce contains roughly 1.8 billion shoppers yearly. Capturing just 10% of this market will allow us to make a difference in over 180 million consumers worldwide by providing them with an avenue to identify more sustainable product options. With over 80% of these consumers indicating that they would prefer more sustainable product options, Evolution is set up on a very successful trajectory based on current market trends. We conducted a survey on our target market in regards to the Evolution extension. As a matter of fact, over 97% of those who were surveyed indicated that their initial response was somewhat positive or extremely positive. Additionally, over 79% indicated that they were likely to download the extension upon its release.
Speaking of market share, Evolution has very little established competition, with our primary competitor being a UK-based startup, Picobot. However, this extension is still in the early stages of beta testing and is only intended for use in the UK, whereas Evolution is meant for worldwide. This trend is seen through our other competitors as well. Additionally, Evolution's software implementation, as previously noted, far surpasses that of our competitors, as shown in the following visual.
Over the past year, Evolution has made great progress towards our goal of revolutionizing e-commerce. However, we understand that these are small steps in a long journey to maximizing our overall impact. Some notable milestones include the completion of product development with a stable version of the Evolution extension ready for public release, as well as a landing page or website to attract prospective consumers. In being unrivaled, simple, precise, and potent, with bountiful room for growth and expansion in the future, Evolution stands apart from the competition.
The future is now. As the threat of climate change grows ever imminent, we at Evolution have taken it upon ourselves to evolve the social responsibility of e-commerce. As we like to say at Evolution, two small clicks for man, and one large leap for mankind.